Problem 24. We use reciprocal identities and relation identities to convert secant x and contingent x in order to get the common denominator. After addition, we get the fraction whose sign is a common denominator. Use double angle identities to transform sin x. And use power reduction identities to transform 1 plus cosine x. Relation identities tells us sine over cosine is tangent. Integral of tangent is a standard integral because we find it from the table of integration. Let us show you from the table of integration the integrals of tangent. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.